Okay, I'm going to go click on add. This is blog, so we already have a blog set up for you, but this allows you to set up more items about your blog. You don't need this, it's already been done for you, but it has, like, for example, Facebook comments. You can add this at the bottom of your blog and you just drag it over. Okay, store elements. So I used this slider product gallery on the home page to show your 4 different oils. And you can use these different widgets to show elements of your store. So, like, here's one thing you could put on a home page, and it's already substituted it for me because it knows that what products I have. So now, let's say you were having a sale on it, and so you could say sale on shea oil, and then have the price, and you can write sale on there. You'd click on manage products to do that. The store part of it is going to be a separate tutorial, but I'll X out of there right now. So that's another widget. Basically, they've created like these quick widgets, quick tools that you can use instead of trying to design it on your own. You can use any of these. And then more is you won't need these elements. This is more for, like, if you wanted to create a form, or if you wanted to use another software that wasn't directly compatible with Wix, you could get its HTML code and then plug it into the HTML code, and then it would run with Wix. And that's a little bit more complicated, and then not something I'm going to go over in my tutorial. And you've also got a Wix hit counter, how many people show up. For an e-commerce website, I wouldn't recommend this. This would be more for, like, a news website, a site search where people can search for things, events calendar, Webstat, Google AdSense, Wix Weather. So all of these different functions, they're all very easy to use. Just drag them over and it takes you step by step into what you need to do. Okay, so this little supermarket image, that's the app market. If you click on that, this is where you can purchase your apps, any apps that you need for your website. So what is an app that someone might need? Something like a form builder. If you didn't like Wix contact forms, you could find a form that somebody else has made. So let's say form builder. I click that and it's going to show me all the different form builders that are there, and then I would add these to my sites and then follow their instructions to build my form. Okay, so another example could be, let's say you wanted to improve your SEO. So I click on SEO to see what SEO apps are available. And then it says, here's one, optimize your site without previous search engine optimization experience. And it's going to help improve my SEO. It doesn't have good ratings, so I wouldn't go with that. But Rabbit SEO does have good ratings. It helps you get your website more discoverable, so I would add that app. They always offer you a free version that has limited elements, and then a premium version, which you'll have to pay for monthly, usually around £1 to £2 a month. I have a form builder app for my website, so I usually pay about £2 per month for that. It's a special form that I use. So that's basically, so any new feature that you want for your website that you can't find automatically in the add to section, you can probably find it in the app market, and you just need to add that app and then work with it to find out, to optimize your website that way. Alright, my uploads, everything that you upload to your website is here. So all the images that you uploaded from your desktop, any videos, any music, or any documents. So if I click on images, it's going to show me all the images that I uploaded myself. And this is just a quick way for you to grab an image that you needed quickly. So let's say I needed somebody quickly that was putting on shea butter. I click on my uploads, I click on images. I'm going to do it again for you. Click on my uploads, click on images. I'm going to go quickly through my images, find one. There she is. Click on it. When the check mark appears, I know it's selected. Then I click add to page, and then that image appears. So while we're here, I was going to show you how to edit an image, but I'm not going to do it in this tutorial. I'll just continue with the rest of the tutorial. So I'll X that out. When you want to work on your blog, this is that section, my blog. It's your blog manager. What do you want to do? Add a new blog post. It's going to show me all of your blog pages. So let's say you want to add a new blog post. And that's where you do it. And then put in your title. It shows you that you can add an image. Remember, you were asking me if you can put in a video. You can put in a video here. I'll go over this more detail when I do the blog section, but it's got all those options up here. So that's what that tab is. This is for your store. It's your store manager. And then when you want to manage your store and your products, you click on that on the left. Then click on Manage Your Store. And then it will pop up that page I was showing you the other day where you updated your payment status. So we're going to X out of that. And the last thing is this promote. So how to promote your website. Wix has provided you with features that you can use to promote your website, and that is through a newsletter, shout out email. So once your website goes live, you can create that and say, hey, my website's live. For the first week, we're going to have a promotional offer of 5% off, 10% off, and then you can put that in there, and it'll just lead you through the process of doing that. Okay, so that is all of the features. I'm going to go to the testing page. That is all the features that you need to know for the actual tools on here. In our next tutorial and the subsequent tutorials, I'm going to go over the features that I think you are most likely to use and how you can work with them, such as editing text, adding images, working on your blog, things like that. Because I don't think you're going to be working too much with the design part of it. That part has been set for you, but the things that you need to update your website, we'll go over that. Okay, thanks very much.